Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are not subscribed yet, please hit that button down low. While you're at it, hit that bell video so you will never miss any of my videos when I upload. If you're here to see how I got this bun wash and go, just keep on watching. First, I started by using Cream of Nature's apple cider vinegar clarifying rinse. On the instructions, it said to go ahead and wet hair first, so that's what I did, and I put this all over my scalp. So I do want to apologize for the glare going on in the background. It's a little window in the shower, and it's kind of messing with my camera footage, but y'all get the point. Okay, after rinsing out the apple cider vinegar rinse, I use Cream of Nature's coconut milk detangling and conditioning shampoo. I wash my hair evenly throughout my little sections with that, and then I rinse that one out also. Of course, after using the shampoo, I use the coconut milk detangling and conditioner, and I put that in my hair and I section it off in 4 sections and start my finger detangling process. Okay, here is where I start my finger detangling. I don't usually use a comb. I just use my fingers when I do the detangling, and I always do it when my conditioner is in. Okay, so I felt like I needed a little bit more moisture, so I used Ozzy's 3-minute deep conditioner treatment, and I left that in for about 3 to 5 minutes and rinsed it out. Okay, now I'm ready to start my wash and go process. So I do what I usually do. I just section my hair off, start from the back and clip the top up to get it out of the way. So my hair is wet. I use my spray bottle just to make sure I get it a little bit more drenched before I start putting in the leave-in conditioner. I use the coconut milk detangling and conditioning leave-in conditioner, also by Cream of Nature. I'm not really one for light leave-in conditioners. I'm usually more of a cream type girl, but I can say that this leave-in conditioner had a great slip and it turned out really good with my Eco Styling gel. So after that, I usually apply oil. Just kind of remember this part of me squirting this oil very far. I was at my mother's house, and I know you just seen her kind of peek in, but you will see why I said this in a few minutes. I then use my normal Eco Styling gel, my go-to. I just get a big glob of it and put it on my hair, make sure I get my roots, make sure all of my hair is saturated in it, and I start my shingling process. This is basically how it looks after I get my Eco Styling gel and finish my shingling. I actually love this churn out with this leave-in conditioner. I didn't think it was going to, be so well, but it actually came out pretty good. I basically repeat the same process. Wet my hair in my water bottle, put in the leave-in conditioner, some oil, and my Eco Styling gel. I'm doing it. Mama, move!
Latoya, you got all up here.
Mama, can you scoot out my video?
But why is it all over the wall?
My nozzle is probably deep. This is a spray bottle. I don't know how far this spray bottle goes.
Okay, well, can you spray the oil on your hair?
Yes, I can. I'm so glad that the people don't need to hear anything that I'm saying. Because if they did, you just be completely ruining the whole entire. So I wanted y'all to see the type of stress I go through when I record at my mother's house. She wanted to be in the video, and I gave her her shine. So this is the turnout after I finished my whole entire head. I think it came out really good. My curls are popping now at this point, and my hair is very moisturized. I just used the Creme of Nature hair snot to just slick those edges down. So this was my results after my hair was completely dry. I want to thank y'all once again for tuning in to my video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video.